What was that?
What?
Climbing trees.
Move it before it gets squished.
Beetle
There
saving.
you go. Lenny's the same way. He's like,
So we just came from there and look at the view. Hi. What was that? How are you guys feeling?
Relaxed, worked out, peaceful at peace.
yeah.
How are you feeling?
I feel alive. I feel relaxed.
You look relaxed.
I feel
You look so
connected with nature. I feel good. I recommend it. At least once a month, go on a hike. Once a week. 3 times a week.
What are the benefits of going on a hike?
It's good for your mental health. It's good for your physical health. Good for your legs. It's good for your cardiovascular health. It's good for your soul, for your spirit. Good for your bones. For your glutes, for your hamstrings, for your quads, your calves, good for your core. Now we're going up the road. This is the second parking lot. It's in the middle of this road. But you need a parking pass. Yay! Ay, me caigo. We made it to the top. The round trip was 3 hours 40 minutes. We started going down this road like around 10 a.m. So there are 3 parking lots. There's this parking lot at the top. There's a bathroom. A parking lot in the middle. Another parking lot at the bottom. But you need a parking pass. We park on the street. I'm gonna show you. So you can park here on this road if you don't have a parking pass. It's a good hike. Totally recommended. There are the girls. How was your experience?
My glutes are on fire.
I just walked backwards
The whole
through that hill and I'm dying, but it was a great freaking workout, the whole thing.
What do you think about the waterfall?
It was gorgeous. It was so clear.
One of the prettiest hikes I've ever been on.
How would you rate this trail and the waterfall?
A 10.
A 10? I think I would give it like an 8.
Really?
Yeah, because the Escondido waterfall was like more of a waterfall to me.
Yeah. It was.
If you come, bring snacks, bring water. I recommend hiking shoes, but it's not completely necessary because there's not much like hiking like in dirt. Bring good company, positive vibes only, optimist people. Take care of your surroundings. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and see you later.